statement or the sentence within the source to suggest to me. Why this is important, what we are doing is we are doing an inferencing kind of skills. But what I'm doing here, I am breaking down for you. I am scaffolding for you, step by step. So I want to see the evidence very clearly. You can tell me it's like no space, I highlight there, but you say refer to the highlighted part, I'm fine with that. Alright, and finally, how does this evidence support my claim? I want to see you explain in your own words what exactly this evidence are. So if you tell me, say the evidence is that because of that the camels were being resettled somewhere, there is a statement, right? Then you can tell me that how does this evidence support my claim? You can explain by saying because they had to be resettled, they were very upset, they were dissatisfied, and thus causing a conflict. You use your own words. Alright, so very easily, you just summarize for me the source, very few words here. You tell me what is the cause of the conflict, you give me the evidence, and then you explain the evidence in your own words. Are you clear on how to use this document? Each of you will be using one piece of the document later in your group study, alright, and then you'll be writing it down. I want to see everyone writing it down conscientiously. Alright, now you are going to be given 4 sources. Now the sources for some of you may be a little bit complicated, but it's actually very easy. Alright, it's actually very easy. I want you to read the sources carefully. I'm looking at sources. You are given 4 sources, but each one of you later as a group you will only do 1 source. Okay, if you look at these sources, okay, I will not run through the sources lah, alright, because of time constraint, okay, I will not run through the sources. But I just want you to understand the source, read together. If you have queries, put up your hand, we will come to you. Alright, so read this one, okay, basically if you were to run through, alright, already some of the words there, you can already pick up what is the cause of the source. I mean, so the source of the conflict, not the cause of the source. The source of the conflict from here. Take note, yesterday I had some classes, they said, why is disenfranchised? But actually we put it there. The word disenfranchised means to lose one's basic rights. Okay, source B, again, also not too long. Alright, source B. Also the first one already tell you, hey, this is the clue. What is the cause? You remember the causes, right? So we give you a little bit of clue here and there. Alright, source C, a little bit longer. Okay, also over here you can see some of these things, what they do and all that. Now, the last sentence here, maybe a little bit complicated. I will come to you in case you have problems, right? And finally, source D. Also, okay, over here, one of the tougher sources. Okay, over here, I will go to the group's personality angle, guide you and search it. Alright, so if you are clear, what I want you to do now is turn into your groups first. Get into your groups quickly. Then after that, I'll turn to the steps. Labeling yourself number 1 to 4. Don't tell me. Tell yourself individually. Alright, 1 to 4. As you're doing that, I want you to multitask. Pack your textbook back inside your bags. Notebook also back inside your bags. Good. Both textbook and notebook inside your bags. In 10 seconds from now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, just like the Tamils in Sri Lanka.
My explanation, alright, because the people who vote will only be voted by the people born in Sri Lanka and unless the ancestor of their fathers born in Sri Lanka were able to vote. Thus, this caused unhappiness between the Indian and the Pakistani residents.
Source please definition criteria. These source stuff demos that we all highlighted here. Tamils in Sri Lanka are disadvantaged because of the implementation of the university admission criteria. This is the own inference. You can infer from the source.
In Sri Lanka?
Good, I see more and more papers being highlighted and you actually draw from the highlighted part. You actually put an arrow and say, okay, this is what it means.
It was not the conflict.
Some of you very bigly.
It was more the
Source
conflict
A,
between
citizenship right.
and
Source B, what is the cause? Good, I want to see that also. What is the cause of it? Good.
because like
higher than for a Sinhana medium student. And how does this evidence support my claim is by from the evidence I can tell that the government in Sri Lanka neglected the minority population, causing the rise of crisis.
this is just like stitching. And then this is correct. Okay. Yeah, explaining. So where do you want to go?
Yeah, but it's also what implications for educational and economic opportunity.
Evidence, what is it that you highlight? Which is the part that you highlight that coming to simple of policy? This is but this is more of like what we call summarizing. You should use your own words as to summarize everything and then you should quote from here. Don't infer, because this one when you tell me it's in halal policy, how do you know? You have actually inferred from your mind. You have implied. That inference should go on the second layer and not on the first layer. This is the process we want to do. But as you read, what are the important points? The important points are like inside others. You can just take one forward. You say that, okay, for example, don't take the whole thing, right? Just tell me Tamil grievances subsequently grew because language policy, okay, this is what it means. Tamil grievances subsequently grew because in Sri Lanka and elsewhere, language policies have wide-ranging implications for education and economic opportunities. What it means is that in Sri Lanka, alright, the language you should be discussing about what it is. You are not right now in expert group. Later you will know why you are in expert group. You need to know the points thoroughly because the moment you get back to your original group, that is when you become the teacher. Okay, you will be teaching the rest of your group members. That's why you need to know the source inside out, upside down. 180 degrees, 360 degrees, everything about the source you must know exactly. Right? So clarify, don't know the word, ask. Right? Ask. Okay, if I was just give you a while, if I was just give you the time check now, it's about another 4 more minutes. Good, I'm seeing some of you actually highlighting the words. The part that tells me, okay, inside this is the evidence that we are quoting. You should be doing that. Alright? Some of you are progressing, alright? The second layer, remember, you are telling me what is the cause of the conflict. First layer, just summarize. Then second layer, cause of the conflict. Third layer, you are supposed to do what evidence, and lastly, last layer, explain your own words. Yes. This one is starting to what? This one is actually not. It should be here. Some of you in your first layer, you are telling me the cause of the conflict wrong. You are supposed to summarize only the source. So summarize the source. Please tell me what is it that you tell me. So you become very organized. Then you tell me that this is